Hello guys, my name is Juan and today I'll be talking about the Oura ring. The ring that will monitor your health like never before. Stay tuned. So when you're getting your Oura ring, one of the first things you have to do is get the sizing kit. It comes with 8 different rings and they're all even numbers. There's no like half sizes or anything, ranging from size 6 to size 13, and from there you get to choose what fits best. And it gives you like 4 different like instructions on how you should make sure to choose the right size for you. And in one of those instructions, it says to sleep on it. I really recommend when you get your Oura ring, or if you are considering the Oura ring, make sure to follow step 3, which is sleep on it, because to tell you the truth, your finger will change in size throughout the day, like dramatically. Trust me. I got the Oura ring, and that's one of the first things I noticed, that my ring size actually changes throughout the day, like really a lot. So after getting the ring sizing kit, you will have to submit it on your online profile, and it'll take about 3 weeks for your ring to arrive from the day that you enter your size. Although I live in Canada, it may be different for you. If you live in like the United States or something, it may take longer or shorter, who knows. But I was in Canada and I got it in like 3 weeks after I placed the order, or the ring size. You get this box, and inside this box you get the ring, and then you also get a charging dock and then like a little cable that you connect to your charging dock so you can charge your Oura ring. It contains like a few manuals, and that's it. And then you download an app that connects to the ring, and from there you can do what's next. Like you can like use the ring through there, yeah. So the app has 4 main tabs: the home button, the readiness tab, the sleep tab, and the activities tab. The home tab will get you notified on the main statistics of the app as a whole, and then you get the readiness tab, where it gives you metrics on how ready for the day you are. And one of the main features I like is the heart rate variability tab, where it tells you the average heart rate variability you had throughout the night and your max. And then on to sleep. Last night I had a terrible sleep. I couldn't sleep all night, so you can see my sleep score was really bad. And it like shows you your sleep pattern. That's one of my favorite metrics of the sleep tab, because I can know how I'm sleeping and know what to fix usually out of these metrics. And the sleep and the heart rate variability tabs I like the most. With the activities tab, you have to enter in the activity yourself, so it doesn't like track it automatically. But there is a fix kinda to this. If you use your Apple Watch, you can actually like start workouts with your Apple Watch. Let's say you want to work out, you'll you'll say, start the workout, boom, and it'll record your data, the watch, and you can track it through your watch. But then it'll tell this app to that you just worked out, so it'll log the calories and your like workout. It'll log it here, so it's pretty cool. If you have an Apple Watch, it'll take care of that problem. Okay, onto some of the negatives I found about the ring. It's very like thick, so it's like gets in the way of like stuff like typing. Like if you want to type in the keyboard, it's like I usually just take it off because it gets in the way. You start typing in the wrong keys, and although I'm a pretty bad typer, so it looks like it's not getting in the way, but it does get in the way. Also, like if you want to like work out, I'll usually just take it off because it feels better to work out without a ring. If you're holding a heavy barbell, you may break the ring. I don't know, like I haven't tried to carry a very heavy barbell, but like if I put 500 pounds of force into my finger right here, I don't know how well this will take it. It's like plastic, you know what I mean? So I don't know. Also, throughout the day, your hand could get really swollen. One time it got so swollen that I couldn't take my ring off. Well, I took it off, so I could, but like it was hard to take off. I was wearing a heavy backpack that made my fingers swell up, and I didn't notice until it was too late, and it was really hard to take off. If you sleep on your side, I would recommend sleeping on the side that the ring is not on, because sometimes my hand will swell up, and then I'll wake up and it'll be like kind of uncomfortable to wear the ring sometimes. So like I'll sleep on the side that the ring is not on, so my hand doesn't swell up and inhibit the circulation to my finger, you know? Sometimes it'll think I just stayed up and it won't log the rest of the night, or like it'll think I went to bed really late even though I was in bed already sleeping, and woke up and had like a little bit of insomnia and then went to bed. It'll think I went to bed like at 1 instead of like 10, you know what I mean? So that happens very rarely. Like it's happened to me like 3 or 4 times in the matter of like a few months. So yeah, and yeah, overall, like those are the main negatives I found about the ring. So some of the positives are that it's super quick to charge. Like you put it there for like 20 minutes every day while you're getting ready for the day, and it's charged, always charged. And the ring emits very low levels of EMF, and it can also go into airplane mode, so it's basically no EMF, and it's better for you to sleep with something that's not emitting EMFs, because then it'll ruin your health if you do that. So like, yeah, like imagine sleeping with a phone beside your head. That would be very bad. Also, all the metrics it gives you are super insightful into how you're coping with different things, so that's also positive. And I love the HRV balance metric, and also all the sleep metrics are super useful. Now, should you get this? Well, if you are only looking for an activity tracker, then I would go for a Fitbit. But if you're trying to improve your sleep and you're someone that may be struggling with sleep, Or if you're someone that really likes to know about yourself, then I would get an Oura ring. It's $300 US, so it's pretty expensive. But if you think about it, if you use it every day and it gives you insight into your biology and what you need to change to improve your life, then I think it's not that bad of a deal. But if you're only looking for an activity tracker, then I wouldn't get it, and I would just get a Fitbit, yeah, or even an Apple Watch. But I don't know. Okay guys, this has been real. Thank you so much for everything. If you like the video, like it, subscribe for more content like this, and see you guys next time. Peace.